Bar jigger. When you work with jigger, really important is how do you hold it, how do you pour into it and from it. So practice how to hold the jigger into your fingers, how to take it from your bar station and put it back there, how to pour into and out of it. Also practice different moves from working at exhibition Flair. And learn how to do the same moves but catch the jigger into your fingers. This moves close to the moves with the bar spoon. So you just have to change your jigger in your fingers. Pum, pum. Pum, pum. Pum, pum, pum. Pum, pum. Just learn how to do it. So you will hold your jigger in these fingers and then you will pour and put it here. Second, you can start like this, take your jigger this way and move it here. Then you will pour and pour it again here. And then you can take it this way, then you will move it here, and then you will just turn your wrist like this. Then you will pour, and from here you will pour this way, and then you can put it like this, or from here you can take it here, and then